Alright everyone, welcome back to Lawson's Family Channel. Today we have a special surprise. We are opening some Hot Wheels. Oh no, how do you open it? It's stuck. Well, we got something for that. We got some scissors. But babies don't hold on to scissors unless they're baby scissors. Alright. Which one you want to open first? Which one? Which one? You want this one? The biggest first? Alright. Alright, you gonna help me? There we go. So you're getting it all open here. All sorts. What do we got here? Made by Mattel Hot Wheels. Which these ones? I'll open this one while you get those. Alright, so this is part of the Hot Wheels track building system. Ooh, check out these. Can you see them? Alright, let's get some better light on these. Wow. Woohoo. There you go. Oh, careful, they're gonna fall out. Hey, put them over here. Put them with your other ones. Oh, oh no! Yeah, let's put them all up here. Where'd the other ones go? Here's one. Here's one. Ooh, nice. Oh, that's a fast one. That's a fast one, huh? Alright, you ready?
What?
Here. Let's open the next one. What's it? Let's see. Oh, this one's called Police Pursuit by Hot Wheels. Check it. This is what it comes with. Professor, is this one a cool one? Yeah, cars, huh? Woohoo. Alright, what's this? Alright, let's check these out over here, okay?
No!
Look.
Me!
Look, we got a police car, we got HWPD, Hawaii PD, SWAT car, another police car, Task Force, Hot Wheels Task Force. Wow! Alright, here you go.
Here you go!
You gotta pull out your cars. Nice. Nice, look at those. Wow. These are some sweet Hot Wheels, aren't they? Look at all the playing possibilities. And all these colors. Look at these different colors. We got a red car. Look at this red car. Isn't that cool? Look, can we spot a yellow car? There's a yellow car. Where's a blue car? Where's a blue car, Vesu? Is this blue?
No.
Yeah, this is blue. This is light blue. A racer. And this is, look at this one. Dark blue. You see the difference? One's darker. And one is lighter. What other colors do we have here? Oh, you want to open another one? Alright. Goodness, which one's this? Let's see. Hypertruck RD10 What for 2. Let's figure this out. Here's what they look like. Boom. Oh, yeah? Hey, stop. No bad guys. You don't let the bad guys get away. Alright, we're opening the next one. What's this? Ooh. All right. Wait. Let's show our subscribers. Let's show our subscribers. Wow. Oh, these are awesome. These are amazing. Look at all these colors. All right. Here. Put them up. Go ahead. Yep. Wow, look at this one. This one's a drifting car. Wow, look at that. Woohoo. See this back part? This is called the spoiler. Stop in the name of the law. You want to open the next one, Basu? Look, it's another 5-pack. This one's a city 5-pack. Hot Wheels City. Wow, look at all the stuff in this city. This is a cool city. Look at that huge shark. I bet you can drive a Hot Wheels through that. Goodness. All right, are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
All right, here.
All right.
Here, you want to try? Here, I'll open this one, and you open this one. This one's Night Burners. Night Burners, huh? Night Burners. Wow, super speedsters. Oh, these are some sleeper cars. All right, Bestu, open it up.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah. Wait, hold on. We gotta show your subscribers too, Bestu. All right, here we go. There we go. Bringing it up to the light for you. Let's check these ones out. Number 2, number 15, a Mazda. There you go. Hot Wheels.
Oh no.
What's that one? That's a cool race car. And what's this finishing one? Hot Wheels number 70. What does that say next to it? El Segundo, California. All right.
All right.
All right, let's open it up, Besu. Here. You want to put your cars in with the other cars?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. You got this. Good job. That's one car. And 2 cars. These are some great Hot Wheels. All right, this is number 3. Oh, you gotta pull it out. There you go.
Where's my car?
Oh no, where?
Oh no.
We gotta dump the other ones in. Here. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Dump. Oh, dumped them in. Look, here they are. Oh, this is a speedy one. Wow, look at this purple race car. Mazda number 15. And do you see this part on the back? That's called a spoiler. That's right. Look at this part on the side here. You see those golden rims? It's this part. Golden rims on a purple Mazda. Very cool. All right. Is it playtime? Yeah. Oh no, we forgot the last one. You want to open the last one?
Yep.
Thank you. What's this one? Oh, I think these might be the best cars yet. There's a taxi. Oh, this looks like a super racer here. Oh, I'm all excited to open this. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna open it up, everyone. Alright, how long does it take me to open this thing? Oh. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. Alright, 7 seconds. Whoa.
Whoa!
Yeah, these are awesome, huh? Wait, we gotta show our subscribers.
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah! Alright, here are the cars. Look at this one. Wow! Look at all these cool cars, Vesu. Beautiful. Here they are.
Wow!
Wowee. These are your special Hot Wheels, aren't they? Yeah. What kind of cars did you get? Some pretty cool ones, huh? Hmm.
Santa!
It's what?
Santa!
Oh, yeah?
Where's the car?
Where'd it go?
Ah! Santa! Alright.
Alright, what are we gonna do with all these, Vesu? Wow, these got some great colors.
Go!
I really like these. Look at this vibrant green car. Little racing pattern on top. That's what this black and white pattern is. A pattern is when you repeat the same image or the same idea. Look at this. Do you see its wheels? Pretty cool. Little zippy one. Meow. Meow. Wow, look at this Hot Wheels, Vesu. It's blue and gold, fluorescent. Fluorescent means that it's extra shiny like this. Wow. It's got some racing emblems on the side that says wheels, Hot Wheels. And we're gonna race these down a huge track pretty soon. But not in this episode. We hope you see all of you in the next episode. Here, wait, I have an idea. Let's take this box that it came in and make a little ramp. So we gotta put all the cars over here. We gotta put all of them over here. Ho ho ho! Dun 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 dun. Ba 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 ba. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Let's see. Alright, so we got most of them off. Let's just see if we can shimmy some of them off here. Whoa. Alright. Alright, check this out, Vesu. We'll put this up like here. Put this over here. And guess what? We're gonna put this right here like that, okay? We just need some duct tape first. Where's the duct tape? No.
Did you hear that? It's the book. Where you go?
Alright, you ready, Vesu?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna race these cool cars. Okay? Alright.
Tie.
Start at the top. Wheels! Oh, that's fast. These have got some good tires on them, huh? Ready? Alright, we got a green one and a blue one here. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa. Alright, green and blue one again. Yeah. Oh, look at these ones. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
What color?
Oh no, where'd it go? Alright, here, ready? Whoa. Wow. Oh. Look at that. Oh, this is a weird one. Oh, it's a fire brigade. Woo, woo, woo. Oh. Alright, here it comes. Wow.
Oops.
Whoa. We got a mini ramp here. 3, 2, 1.
Go! Oh no, where's the car? There it goes.
There you go. Da 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 na 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 na. Da da na 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 na. Woohoo! Hey, yeah? Hey, let's get them all lined up. Let's get a bunch of them. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, where's the car?
Oops. Let's race some more. Alright, we got 4 going down now. 6 was a little bit too much. Alright, we got 2 yellow ones, a blue one. Make sure they're all pointing the right direction. And a teal one. This is teal. Kind of a gray and a blue. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Dustin, where'd you go? Alright, here. Alright, ready? Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Oh no.
Woohoo! Hey, you want some more?
Yep.
Yeah. There you go.
Hi.
Race them. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Go. No? Hey, you gotta race more of them? Alright. Alright. What about this yellow one? This one's real fast. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, you stopped my car. You stopped my car. That's not fair, you cheater. Are you cheating? Alright, 3, 2,
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Woohoo. Oh no! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, it's gonna splash all over out here. Woo! Whoa! Nice. Thank you for watching Lawson's Family Channel. And to see more great episodes about Hot Wheels and Hot Wheels tracks, along with holistic helping and healing, please subscribe to Lawson's Family Channel at youtube.com. Let's have some fun! Oh no!
I got.
Bye-bye! Whoa!